What's up, everybody? Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault. We are on now day 67 of this beginning 5K program. Get your shoes on, it's a workout day. Let's get going. All right. We're getting there. We're getting really close. Day 67. We're only a few days away from the race, so let's get going with our workout. Here's Coach Robin.
Welcome back, my running friends. It is Thursday, and we had a nice day yesterday of rest and recovery. I hope you did something really restful and recovery. So anyway, today we are back to running just 2 miles. Just 2 miles, I know. But hey, we've run 3 already, so no big deal. So let's get it done. Let's get our 2 miles in today, and then we rest again tomorrow, and then voila, it is race day. So you know what that means? It means that finish line is right there, guys. We are so close. You guys are really rocking this program. I'm really proud of you. So once again, I'm going to do my warm-up. I'm going to do my run. I'm going to do some cool downs. And then I'll be back in to check on you and see how your run went. So go out there, get your 2 miles done, and I'll see you in a little bit. All right, 2 miles in the bag, guys. Do you know how close our finish line is? It's our next run, actually, come to think of it. So great job. I want to give you all a hand, a high five, anything I can do virtually. I want to give it to you because you guys have really earned it. We've worked hard these last 10 weeks, and we've done it together, and you guys have just blown it out of the water. You guys have done a fantastic job. So I am so happy for you. Anyway, so that was a great 2 mile run that I just had. I hope yours was good too. And let's see, tomorrow is Friday, so we will rest. I'll talk to you a little bit about, race day preparation, but I already gave you some tips on that, but I'll just give you some reminders. And then on Saturday, the best you can do right now is find a virtual 5K because while I'm doing this, we are in our pandemic. So if you're watching this while we're in our pandemic, then you're not going to be able to find a 5K in your town anywhere. But any normal time, you can find a 5K almost in any town, any weekend. So if you can do that, go out and do it, and show us your medals down below when you get your medal. If you do a virtual 5K, just go online and Google virtual 5K and see what you can find. But maybe I'll talk a little bit more about that tomorrow. Anyway, great job today, and I'll see you for our rest day tomorrow. And again, if you have any questions about nutrition during this program, or just nutrition in general, or if you know any people that want to get healthy and then want to start doing this running program on their own, watching the YouTube videos, feel free to share my name with them, my contact information. It's right here, and I would love to help them get healthy too. It's what I do, it's what I'm passionate about. So if you know anybody, feel free to share my name, and I'll see what I can do to help get them healthy so that they can do this 5K program too, because you guys kicked it out of the water. So I will see you tomorrow for our rest day. Have a great rest of your day.
All right, you guys are all doing fantastic. We're really proud of you. Day 67. I mean, you guys have been doing this for 67 days now. Think about all the way back when you started on day 1 and now you're on day 67. That's tremendous, and we're really proud. So make sure you do hit that thumbs up button if you like the program. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification, and that way you'll be notified every time we put up a healthy living video, and we do that every week. And also make sure you share this program with someone who can benefit from it. And at the end of this, a video is going to pop up, a playlist is going to pop up, and that playlist is going to have the whole playlist of all the days from day 1 all the way up to where we are today. And that way, the person who hits the playlist can go and start on day 1 and join in on all the fun like you have. So, with all that said, we will see you tomorrow, and tomorrow's a rest day, so you get a little bit of a break, but make sure you rest because the race is almost here. All right, everybody, have a good one.